The three R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic, are the traditional foundation of early education. Despite the fact that only one actually starts with R, the phrase has long been used to summarize the core skills essential for learning and development. Reading develops comprehension, vocabulary, and the ability to absorb and interpret information. Writing builds communication skills, including spelling, grammar, and the ability to express ideas clearly. Arithmetic introduces basic numeracy, essential for problem-solving, logical thinking, and everyday tasks. These skills are important because they provide the basis of all further learning. Mastery of the three R's equips us with the tools we need to succeed academically, professionally, and in daily life. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These fields drive innovation by developing new technologies, improving healthcare, enhancing communication, and advancing our understanding of the universe. They're key to solving real-world problems such as climate change, energy sustainability, and global health challenges. Moreover, STEM fields fuel economic growth by creating high-skilled jobs, boosting productivity, and maintaining global competitiveness in an increasingly digital and knowledge-based economy. Many jobs and functions within STEM fields and the foundational three R's are increasingly under threat from artificial intelligence, AI, due to rapid advances in automation, machine learning, and data processing. AI systems can now read and analyze vast amounts of text, solve complex mathematical problems, generate written reports, and even design experiments or write code, often faster and more accurately than humans. In doing so, AI challenges the traditional value placed on human reading, writing, and arithmetic skills, as well as technical expertise in science and engineering. As artificial intelligence reshapes how we work, learn, and interact, a fourth R is becoming increasingly essential: relationships. While AI can replicate many cognitive tasks, it's unable to truly understand, empathize, or build trust. Human connection through collaboration, empathy, and communication is what brings meaning to science, technology, and innovation, and so the ability to build and manage relationships becomes a defining skill. Relationships underpin teamwork, ethical decision-making, and cross-disciplinary problem-solving. Whether it's scientists working together on global challenges or engineers designing technology that meets real human needs, progress depends not just on technical knowledge, but on understanding people. The ability to listen, to lead, to persuade, and to navigate diverse perspectives cannot be automated. By recognizing relationships as the fourth R, we future-proof education and work for the age of AI. It ensures that as machines get smarter, humans become wiser, using emotional intelligence, collaboration, and compassion to guide how technology is applied and how knowledge is shared.